Yeah,
I had a
fantastic.
bit of network.
Okay, thank you. So Kika, I know that being one that is saddled with a task of governance for your bank, how do you foresee the integration of AI, data analytics, and security technology shaping the future of financial audit practices? What strategic initiatives do you advise organizations to undertake to leverage this advancement in enhancing audit processes and the risk assessment within the financial sector?
These
Yeah.
questions, I don't even know how many questions there are, but I will try. Um, we seem to, I'm sure we'll almost be saying the same things. Before you call me powerful, I need to state here that I've only been in the assurance space for 2.5 years, but it's been interesting. And so, you see the CISOs here, they are my elders. Let me say it ahead. So, I've been working in their spaces now, and it's been fun. And even before now, so I've done a lot in customer experience and analytics, and I've known how important data is. Data actually determines the decision, the direction a bank would want to go, because you're processing huge amounts of financial information. You're looking at behavioral, the customer behavior, and from there coming up with strategic initiatives to serve in the financial space. So now, wearing a different cap, audit, the traditional method of audit, of conducting audit in the past, just required you to take samples for reviews. But with the advent of data analytics, AI, and all what we're saying, you will find that you can process large volumes of data more efficiently, and auditors can have more time to do more in-depth reviews. I mean, the information they generate. So I would look at this from three areas. I would look at AI-powered data analytics. I would look at predictive analytics for risk assessments, like my colleague had mentioned, and I think cybersecurity and data protection. So a lot of institutions, financial institutions, have actually started to pay interest in AI and machine learning. And you see, utilizing AI algorithms and machine learning models, audit processes itself can analyze financial transactions more quickly, more accurately, and then you're able to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential risks, and more effectively than the traditional way of reviewing. You have the AI tool that you're exposed to, depending on the data you expose it to, is scanning data constantly, is creating rules in some cases and models that organizations can work with. So organizations can actually leverage on this to automate repetitive audit tasks such as data extraction, validation, reconciliation, like we do. We are doing a lot of that. We are providing assurance for the institution. We're checking that the controls are in place. So what this AI driven tools would do for you is to help pick and spot immediately things that are deviating from what the system wants it to do actually, or what the controls in place ought to ought to do. So looking at the strategic initiatives, like my colleague said, a lot of institutions already have some tools, audit tools, and other, data analytic tools they're using. So for the audit space, I believe that investments is still important. It's either you're upgrading or you're acquiring these tools and platforms that would help you integrate your existing systems. And definitely, when you do that, it would also help auditors with more advanced analytics capabilities and real-time insights. For predictive analytics, you would find that when you power it with AI, you can forecast future risks and trends using historical data. So, like I
Um,
said earlier on, you
Hello,
expose.
Kika. Okay, so I
Hello.
think we keep yes, I think we keep losing you every now and then. Maybe you can make do with data with your by turning off your camera. I think the audience will have put a face to
Okay.
your name already, so
Oh
that we can
wow.
yes.
So you've been losing. Okay. It's network.
uh,
It's
I could
definitely
hear
all
you
right then.
clearly.
network. Okay, you could
Yeah.
hear me. Okay,
Yes, I
so
could hear
thank you.
everything.
So
Okay.
as I was saying, I said with predictive analytics, you can forecast future risks. You can look at trends using historical data and patterns, and so auditors are able to proactively take steps, identify issues, and take preventive measures. So when you're analyzing a huge amount of data using internal or external data sources, financial records, market data, even regulatory information, predictive analytics help you enhance your risk assessment processes. And so organizations can benefit from this. So, what do you do as an organization? You can develop a predictive analytics model tailored to your risk profile, and of course, taking into context what the industry is. And then you can leverage on other advanced data science techniques and expertise to for your risk identification, assessment, and mitigation strategies. So, looking at cybersecurity and data protection, I think this is also very important. And with the incidents and increase in cyber threats, data breaches, integrating cybersecurity technologies into our processes, our audit processes today is essential to safeguard financial information because you know how important confidentiality is, and of course, ensuring data integrity as well. AI also, that's AI capabilities, also can aid your security technologies in achieving a 360-degree monitoring of events and incidents. So what you have is when you expose this, continuously expose this data to the AI space, it continues to bring up security notifications in some cases. It will even check. It can even help you look at incidences that haven't been captured before and bring it up. So I think you can benefit from that. Let me not just waste time. So the idea for every organization is to strengthen what you have today. I mean, strengthen your cybersecurity measures and controls across audit processes, including data collection, storage, and even analysis. And so I think also organizations should pay attention to compliance and regulatory requirements, Data Protection Regulation, PCI DSS. I think all that guides what we do. So it's key. And I believe that Nigeria is on the right trajectory. Thank you. Blockchain is
Thank you
also
so
important for audit trails,
yeah.
transparency,